So, in the course of time, since 1950s, due to various amendments, 20 plus articles and one part, that is part 7, has been deleted or repealed.
Sir, 21
20 plus
articles.
It cannot be exact. Write down 20 plus.
Okay. 20 plus articles and one part
7.
7 has been repealed. While 90 new articles
90 plus.
90 plus 90 plus new articles, 4 parts. 4A fundamental duties, 9A municipalities, 9B cooperative societies, and 15A
14A.
14A, that is tribunals, 42nd amendment, and 4 schedules 9, 10, 11 and 12 have been added to the constitution.
Have been added to the Indian Constitution.
Yes.
So next paragraph.
The added articles are given a suffix of alphabets, hence the number in the articles in the original constitution remains the same. That is 395 articles, but the number of articles increases. So at present, through the last article is numbered 395 and last numbered part is 22. Yet the actual articles are 464 in numbers and it is divided into 25 parts and contain 12 schedules.
The last article in our constitution is 395 only. और parts 22 बोलते हैं, but सब parts मिला लिए तो we'll have 25 parts. और कितने schedules है?
सर एक्चुअल 464 बोल रहा है
प्लस 464 plus including sub articles. But note पढ़ो, please read the box.
Okay. Whenever a question is asked in competitive exam that how many articles are there in the constitution, then you have to answer 395, not any other numbers like 450, 456.
क्या बता रहा है इन्हें?
समझ गए सर?
अगर
एग्जाम में पूछेंगे तो we have to answer 395.
तो कितना है? 395 है. फाइनल नंबर क्या है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में वही बोलना है. दैट इज 395. Clear a point? So 395 articles, 25 parts and 12 schedules. Current क्या है अपना? How many articles do we have currently?
395.
कितने parts?
12
parts.
25 parts 25.
And how many schedules?
12
schedules. Originally कितने parts थे?
सर पहले 8 थे 8.
कितने parts थे? Please understand the question first and then you can give the answer. Originally how many articles?
395.
कितने parts? Originally how many parts?
12
parts.
25 parts.
Originally
22 Sir, parts. Originally 22 parts थे.
And schedules?
Schedule 8 schedules थे originally.
Originally at the time of originally in
26th
आर्टिकल्स कितने?
395.
पार्ट्स
Parts
22.
22.
शेड्यूल्स
8
8.
schedules.
8 शेड्यूल्स. क्लियर पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
सर एग्जाम में कैसे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं? एट द टाइम ऑफ 1950 और करंट में पूछते हैं?
कैसा है पूछ सकता, आपको दो भी याद रहेंगे.
ओके सर.
26 नवंबर जनवरी 1950 कितने आर्टिकल्स थे?
कब सर? जनवरी 1950.
हाँ
395 आर्टिकल, 22 पार्ट्स, 8 शेड्यूल.
थ्री 95 आर्टिकल्स, 22 पार्ट्स and 08 शेड्यूल्स.
Schedules.
आज कितने हैं?
आज 395 आर्टिकल, 25 पार्ट्स, 12 शेड्यूल्स.
टुडे वी हैव, आज क्या तारीख है?
20 of May.
20.
May.
कितने आर्टिकल्स है?
395.
कितने पार्ट्स है?
25.
25.
कितने शेड्यूल्स है?
12.
12.
तो दिस इज योर आंसर. ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन आता ही आता कैसा भी. समझ में आ रहा? ठीक है. क्लियर है पॉइंट?
क्लियर.
So this is your most important, and most of the questions will come from this box. Originally 395 articles, even today 395 articles. Originally 22 parts, today even today you have 25 parts. Schedules कितने हैं?
प्रीवियस 8, करंट 12.
Originally 8, आज 12. Okay, so this is very very important. Next, we'll see the nature of Indian Constitution
नेचर ऑफ द
or nature of
इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन
Constitution of
according
India.
to the KC.
According to the KC,
According to the KC,
where?
sir, KC where it's a name.
Yes, he is a jurist. KC where is a jurist. Indian Constitution is,
Sir, jurist means what?
student of law. PhD का PhD कर लिए सो. Who has, जैसा economist रहते वैसा jurist रहता.
अच्छा, तो ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में पीएचडी किए थे.
Yes, world constitution में, इंडिया का constitution में.
वर्ल्ड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन
So
में.
according to the KC where Indian Constitution is
क्वाजी फेडरल.
a quasi federal. So you
Federal.
might get a question. As per the KC where Indian Constitution is
Quasi-federal.
Indian
Sir, what is
Constitution
the
is
meaning of quasi federal?
semi-federal. Semi-district. Federal माने क्या? Federal का मतलब क्या है?
Federal means
Federal means generally powers.
Federal माने distribution of powers between
union and state.
between the union and state
State.
governments. That is federal. But we have a list 3. What is list 3?
Concurrent list.
Concurrent list. Where
सर
the powers,
सर आवाज आपका बहुत स्लो आ रहा है.
where the powers are distributed where both the union and
Union.
state governments, state legislatures can make laws. Don't matter. Agar if we had only the union list
Yes, sir.
and state list, then it is a federal. But today we have union list, state list, and as well as concurrent list. Where in concurrent list, both the union and
Concurrent
state
list.
legislature has the power to legislate laws. So that's why we are calling as a quasi-federal.
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 Means semi-federal. Yeah, we have semi-federal. माने absolute boundary नहीं है बीच में state and union के. There is some what you can say, jurisdiction, common jurisdiction.
Similarity, common.
Yes. So according to the KC, where Indian Constitution, what is the nature of Indian Constitution?
Quasi-federal.
Quasi-federal.
Quasi-federal. Federal का मतलब क्या है?
Distribution of power between union and state government.
Union and state government. But we have list 3. That is concurrent list where both the union and
State legislature can make
laws. Next. For Professor
Alexandro Viz. Alexandro Viz. India is a case of sui generis. That is unique in character.
India क्या है? Unique in character. Like we have KC Ware. Similarly, there is another professor known as Professor Alexandro Viz. As per the Alexandro Viz, India is
sui generis.
Unique in character, one of a kind. ऐसा आपको किधर भी नहीं मिलता. ऐसा constitution you will not find anywhere in the whole world. So our constitution is a unique in nature, unique in character, one of a kind. In Latin, what it is called as?
Sui generis.
Next.
For Ivor Jennings, it is a federation with a strong centralizing tendency, and for Grenville Austin, it is an example of cooperation federalism.
So Ivor Jennings के हिसाब से क्या है? India is
federation with a strong centralization tendency.
माने union list में बहुत ज़्यादा powers है.
With the center,
with the parliament. And for Granville Austin,
cooperation federalism.
So India is an example of
concurrent list.
Concurrent, that is cooperation federalism. Okay, we don't compete. We complement each other and make laws.
So cooperation federalism is concurrent list, na sir?
Concurrent list. We don't compete, we cooperate.
सर इसमें क्या क्या आता है ये पूछते हैं क्या कि यूनियन लिस्ट में क्या क्या चीजें आती हैं स्टेट लिस्ट में और कॉन्करेंट लिस्ट में?
जो इम्पोर्टेंट एंट्रीज है वो पूछते हैं. We'll do it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
In
Thank
our
you.
exam, offline class, I'll mark, please remind me tomorrow.
Okay, okay,
In the class, I'll make you tick in the constitution itself.
okay,
ठीक है? Important entries.
okay.
ठीक है?
Sir, once tell me, we will write. Okay.
Remind me tomorrow in the offline class.
Now.
Okay.
Okay.
So you will get a question. Okay, as per KC Ware, what is the nature of Constitution of India? India is
Quasi-federal,
a quasi-federal. As per the Professor Alexander Wicks, India is a case of
sui generis, unique
sui
in
generis.
character,
As per Ivor Jennings, Indian Federation is,
with a strong centralizing
Centralization.
tendency.
and for Granville Austin, Indian
Cooperation, federalism,
Cooperation Federalism. ठीक है?
like concurrent.
Like concurrent. Clear a point?
Yes,
Clear.
sir.
So now we'll start the preamble. What is the original name of the preamble?
Objective resolution,
Objective resolution.
resolution, and mini constitution.
How
Sir,
many
mini
of you?
constitution.
42nd Amendment,
42nd Amendment.
Okay.
1976.
The
Now,
1976.
we the people of India, how many of you have by-hearted the preamble?
How many of you? क्या पूछा sir?
कितने जने by-heart कर लिए preamble?
लर्न नहीं हुआ सर, पता है लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत.
याद रहना जरूरी है आपको. You
Every
have
line.
to. Yes, by heart. We the people of India. We
Read
here
करना sir.
refers to. We here refers to
Citizens.
popular sovereignty. Supreme in India. So we का मतलब क्या है इधर? Here we refers to
Popular sovereignty.
Sovereign.
who is supreme in India?
Sir, citizens.
People are supreme in
People.
India. People are
Supreme.
supreme in India. इसका मतलब है we. When we say we means
People.
people who are supreme in India.
People
are
are
supreme in India.
in India.
Then we the
People
people
are
of
supreme in
India
India.
having
Solemnly.
solemnly
Solemnly
resolved to constitute India into a
sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure all its citizens.
sovereign का मतलब क्या है?
Independence.
sovereign का मतलब क्या है?
Independence.
For all.
Independent. sovereign का मतलब क्या है? Independent. We will not go to any one. Sovereign. Secular. Socialist का मतलब क्या है?
To decrease the inequalities.
To reduce inequalities. To reduce inequalities. Secular का मतलब क्या है?
State religion.
India do not have state religion.
Religion.
India do not have state
State
religion.
religion.
Socialist का
सर
मतलब
ये
क्या है?
प्रीएम्बल भी किसी से लिया है, किसी कंट्री से लिया गया है ना?
UNO से.
यूएसए.
UNO. USA बोल. यूएसए के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन स्टार्ट होता है प्रियम्बल से। प्रियम्बल का मतलब क्या है? व्हाट इज द मतलब ऑफ प्रियम्बल?
Objective resolution.
मतलब क्या है?
Introduction.
इंट्रोडक्शन। प्रियम्बल मीन्स
Introduction.
इंट्रोडक्शन। सॉवरन का मतलब, व्हाट इज द सॉवरन?
Independent.
इंडिपेंडेंट। सोशलिस्ट?
Dependency.
To reduce inequalities.
सेक्युलर?
India do not have state religion.
डेमोक्रेटिक का मतलब?
India do not have state
Ruled by people.
religion.
रूल ऑफ पीपल। रिपब्लिक का
People.
मतलब?
Headed by head.
क्या इज हेडेड बाय एन इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव?
Head.
Representative head, that is president.
President.
So these are the ideals. What are the ideals of the constitution?
Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic.
Democratic republic.
Republic.
These are the ideals. समझ में आ रहा? We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a
Resolve.
sovereign, socialist,
Sovereign.
secular,
Secular,
democratic republic,
democratic republic.
and to secure all its citizens,
To all its citizens.
justice of
Social, economic, and political.
social, economic, and political.
Political.
Liberty,
Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship.
liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and
Faith and worship.
worship. Very very important. कितने types of liberties है अपने constitution में?
5.
What are those?
Thoughts, expression, belief, faith, and worship.
Thought, expression, belief, faith,
And worship.
and worship. Very very important. Equality,
Of status and opportunity.
status and opportunity, fraternity, and
Dignity of integrity and dignity.
integrity and dignity of the individuals, and unity and
Unity and integrity of nation.
unity and integrity of the
Nation.
nation. In our constituent assembly, किधर? In our constituent assembly.
Constituent Assembly.
And what is the day?
26 November 1949.
26th day, November
26 November 1949.
1949. We do hereby adopt and enact and give ourselves this
And give to ourselves this constitution.
constitution. समझ में आ रहा?
मतलब खुद को देते हैं.
खुद को दे रहे, खुद ही बनाए, और किसको दे रहे?
खुद को ही दे रहे हैं.
लाइक सुबह में खाना बनाते, कौन खाते? You are making for yourself. You are consuming for yourself. समझ में आ रहा?
Got it.
So, what is the constitution? I hope you will remember this for your lifetime. ये भूलने का नहीं है ये. The moment till we are citizens of India, we have to remember this. Preamble. Please read the preamble. What does the preamble says?
We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thoughts, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and opportunity, fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individuals and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constitutional Assembly,
Constituent
this
Assembly.
28 Constituent Assembly, this 26th November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Then you have to remember this at any cost. So I hope will be able to remember this constitution.
Yes, sir.
In your lifetime. Exam tak nahi. What is this?
Preamble.
We mean popular sovereignty. People are supreme in India. The people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure all its citizens justice, liberty, equality and fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individuals and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give ourselves this Constitution. This is our preamble. Clear है?
सर ये all सारे word copy paste है?
No. थोड़े अपन ऐड करें इसमें. We have. इसमें थोड़े बहुत originality है अपनी.
Like
We got inspired.
सर justice, equality and fraternity तो लिया है हम लोगों ने.
Status and opportunity कहाँ से लिए? Social, economic,
कौन
political
सी
कहाँ
सर?
से लिए? Some things are original.
सर ये लिया है हम लोगों ने. सर ये लिया है हम लोगों ने रशिया से.
पूरी लैंग्वेज कहाँ से लिए? The language of the preamble is taken from
ये लिया है सर ऑस्ट्रेलिया
the
से.
language of the preamble is taken from
ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
Sovereign अपना है. We have not taken anything from the sovereign. Okay.
अच्छा
So
sovereign अपना खुद को.
yes. So we'll take a break of 5 minutes and then we'll restart. Okay. We'll discuss all these points. Very, very important.
Okay.
Take a break of 5 minutes.
Okay.